This is Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another front clip for pickup here at Weber Brothers Auto. This is a 2024 Mazda CX90. And a customer is driving in from New York State to pick this one up. It's going to be sitting on this skid exactly as it is shown here. Not wrapped up. If you're having it freight shipped, different conversation. We can do a freight shipment for you, but there's quite a bit of expense involved depending on your location. That's a whole separate conversation, but we can do it for you. Flick the light on. So dash removed, cut here at the posts, and then we go over it. We're looking for door dings, scratches, nicks, cracks in the headlights, anything we find out of the ordinary, chips in the chrome. This vehicle had about 0 miles on it, and it is pretty much spotless. This is exactly how we like to sell them. Keeps customers happy and coming back to us. And get you under the hood and show you what is included. Again, I'll put the light on so you can see it. That's the underhood. This is all original stuff. If we do find something aftermarket, we'll tell you. Don't want to hide anything from anybody because it's never fun to ask for forgiveness when someone drives really far. So, as you can see, engine covers included. That's an as-is situation. Some engines, the cleaner is part of the engine setup. Others, it's part of the front. So just ask if you have any questions. Underneath the rest of it, we've got ductwork, bracketry, hoses, tubes, splash shields, all the little things you need when you build a front end. Washer bottle. And of course, rad condenser fans, and our guys did a great job. No cut hoses, everything is capped and plugged. If you have any questions about this one or any other front clip you might see in our inventory, don't be afraid to drop me a message, give me a call, whatever method you prefer. Phone number to me is 800-222-2528, and my direct extension is 112. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all over the place. Search the name Jared Weber Brothers. I promise you'll find me. Thanks for watching.